Hey people, so this Monday, which is day after tomorrow, would make it 1 full month of these baby rabbits arriving on this earth. And I feel like I should make this video because I've never seen this happen. Now these little baby rabbits are quite big, like they were small at some point, but now they are big. So, and the mother's looking very almost tortured, but I realize I may never again have. And this is my superstar, who's I think doing poo-poo in the middle of the bed. But that's what I don't think I'll ever have these baby rabbits again, because I've neutered this Hero. Hello Hero, and I have to take them and go down. And we are waiting for Tara to be ready. Once she's ready, it's so amazing. As a mother, she's she's not. Once she moves away from them, that's when I'll have the courage to put all of them in the basket for a. Yeah, there she's moving away. So that means the mother feels that they say the rabbits, they say rabbits nurse only twice a day, and that too for 5 minutes each. So I think that 5 minutes has come to an end, and I shall take these rabbits down for a walk to the park.